tuko na tahadhari kubwa, na janga hili linaweza kutuangamiza kama taifa. Na sababu hiyo tunawauliza Wakenya, ingawaje janga hili ni kubwa na imeleta tisho sio Kenya peke yake, katika dunia mzima, tunaweza kuikabili kwa kufanya mambo ambayo yanaonekana ni rahisi, lakini mambo haya yatatuepusha na janga hili la corona. You may want to ask yourself why the president and his deputy cannot travel in the same equipment at any one time. And in a situation like this, I think the answer to that question may help you understand why we have the situation we have at the moment. For the record, we consult regularly, almost daily, with the president and all the other ministers that are carrying out the various tasks in the management of this pandemic. On the matter of the doctors, as you are aware, already adverts have been rolled out by the Public Service Commission for 5,400 health workers. When I spoke to the chair of the Public Service this morning, an additional 1,000 staff, specifically doctors, will be advertised this week.